Welcome back to goldfries. Now this is going to be a very casual, simple video. I want to make a tech 2-minute video. However, it ends up being a memory stick review, yet a simple one. These are the Klevv DDR4 2666 with CL19. It is a RAM kit that has no heat spreader. It is a value RAM. It retails at RM139, which is about 30 plus US. Now, why did I buy this RAM kit? It is because of this system. The Shuttle XPC, a very old model one, comes with pre-assembled with a motherboard that has two DIMM slots that are very close to each other, and if I were to use RAM sticks with heat spreader, I will not be able to fit. Hence, these two will suit the usage. As for this kit, you might be wondering what are the details. I can tell you that it comes with Hynix Afr Chips. The chips are just on one side, the other side is empty, and it can be overclocked. I managed to load the XMP profile and run the speed at 3200 MHz and it runs. I managed to complete Blender test on my test system, which is using the Ryzen 5 3600. So overall, great value for money, overclockable. Not the best looking of RAM, of course, it's a value RAM, but it's nice, black colored PCB, and especially on casings that you don't want lights or anything, it'll work just fine, and you can fine tune it to get additional speed. Go back from me. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.